Hi, in this video we'll go over Always and Forever by Pat Metheny. So I'll take you through some of the positions and all that, make it a little easier for you to learn the tune, but I would definitely recommend you work with the original album, Secret Story, and to work with live videos of it. So there are a couple of live videos on YouTube of Pat Metheny playing this. So to start out with, we're going to play this shape. Okay. And so we'll play like this. So we'll have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll come into this. We'll bring that first finger up a fret, and then we'll just strum that once. And then we'll do that again. Okay, and then we get into the melody. So that's just kind of an intro part. So we start here. Okay, and then moving into this. And then kind of shifting down into this. So okay, now we'll go up a little bit. Down to the 3rd string. Now we'll slide. And then we'll slide up to this. And back down like that. Okay, and then we'll place the 2nd finger in here, and then we'll play this chord. And then we'll shift to this chord. Okay, and then we'll play some pickups into the next part. So we play. Okay, so we end up on this note. Okay, now we do something different. We come up here. Okay, and then we're gonna play like that. And then we'll play this note. We can slide out of that a little bit. Okay. And then we're way down here in 6th position. And then we'll play. And then we'll play this. Okay, and then I was playing these chords here. Okay, and then we play back to the melody here. Okay, here again, kind of a little hammer on, and then you can slide down to this next note. Okay, shifting up. Down to the 3rd string. And then into this note. And then play that chord again. Hold that, and then we can do it again. Okay, so that brings us through the positions, the notes and things. Let's try it out together. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed working through it. And maybe it makes it a little easier to learn. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on notifications. And also, you can find out more about me in the description below. And I hope you're having a great practice session.